Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a smash burger. Here I got 200 grams of beautiful beef. Most people, when they make a smash burger, they season the burger when it's on the grill or in the pan. Well, I'm not. I'm gonna do the seasoning beforehand. First, quite a lot of salt, quite a lot of black pepper, of course, because I love black pepper. And beef needs black pepper. Very easy, very simple, plus a little bit of Worcester sauce, because I think that is nice in a burger. For extra flavor, why not? Then I'm gonna mix everything together. And then I'm gonna make 2 equal patties, loosely packed, because after all these are gonna be smash burgers, which are different from your usual burger. Something like this. And then the sauce: mayonnaise, spicy tomato ketchup, Polish mustard, Serbska mustard it is. Yeah, I want to use quite a lot, because I like mustard, especially this one. Then I'm also adding some pimentón for the smoky flavor, plus chopped onions. Well, actually shallot, because I like shallot more than regular onions because of the aromatic flavor. And I think I should add some more mayonnaise, and for sure some more tomato ketchup. This is a lot of sauce. Not gonna use all of this, but anyway, that's okay. Just look at the color. Does this look nice to you? To me it does. First up, we'll be toasting the bread in a hot pan, which I coated with olive oil. Some more olive oil in the pan. The patty, just gonna smash it. This is smash burger number 1. You need a crust, then we turn it. Okay. Because the pan is too smooth, actually, I'm gonna take this one out and place number 2. Same process, just brush it. Meat. So what we're looking for is the caramelization of the meat, the crust, the flavors. This burger is not going to be perfect. I don't want a perfect burger, just want a smash burger. That's what it's all about. For 1 minute, I'm going to lift this burger. I managed to. Place 2 slices of cheddar. Plus burger number 1. So what the cheddar or any other cheese does is it will hold 2 burgers together. It's time to build a burger. So I'm gonna start with rubbing some special sauce on the bun. Then I'll place 2 slices of tomato in there. And after that it's time for the smash burger. The tomato does not want to stay in there, but it has to be. Just look at this, you guys. This is not a perfect burger, but this should be very tasty. Couple of slices of pickle, plus some more of that special sauce. This is a great sauce, especially with the pimentón. It's more smoky than other sauces. And then top bun. And then I think this should be ready to eat. The burger is bigger than the bun for the surface. That is just because it's a smash burger. Now there's much flavor in here because of the caramelization of the beef in the pan, the crust. In combination with the sauce, which happens to be too much sauce for this burger. Everything is dripping out, as usual. I especially like the pimentón in the sauce. That smoky paprika flavor, I love it. And of course, fresh tomatoes plus pickles. They give refreshment, acidity. A nice contrast to the ripe flavors of the burger, the meat, the beef, and the sauce. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.